Oh, awesome. Sweet. Flat tires suck and can happen when you least expect it and in the middle of nowhere. Also, if your Jeep is lifted on larger tires, then your factory scissor jack will not be tall enough to lift the axle high enough to get the tire off the ground. Safety is also a huge issue with that scissor jack if you use it anywhere that's not pavement, like snow.
AEV's Jack Base for the Jeep JL Wrangler and Gladiator is an awesome and affordable solution. The Jack Base provides 3.5 inches of additional lift height to the stock scissor jack, allowing tires up to 37 inches to be lifted and changed with stability and safety. The large 7.5 by 10.5 inch footprint provides better stability on soft soil, snow, gravel, even on the side of the road.
The Jack Base is designed to work with a high lift jack if you have one, and it doubles as a wheel chuck.
The Jack Base fits neatly into the JL's rear floor compartment or under the rear seat in the Gladiator. We also sell an optional under dash mounting kit for the JL if you need it. The Jack Base is also virtually indestructible and made in the USA.
The AEV JL and JT Jack Base is available at aevconversions.com and our authorized network of dealers worldwide. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions on this or any other AEV parts, and watch this awesome video next. Let's see if I get out of here.